Hi, I'm Marna, and yesterday was Friday, and that's my husband takes me out for date day and spoils me rotten and buys me dolls. These two I already had. This one we found at an antique mall. I think she's real cute. And we went to Walmart. I found something I'm very excited about that is I had not seen before. Let me set these girls down real quick. Isn't she cute? She's not real cleaned up. Her hair was a mess, but I went ahead and brushed it out. She's waving to you because she's articulated. And then we'll set these girls down. This is not her crown. She's borrowing that from Belle. It's a little princess doll I found whose curly hair was a mess, and I have her in curlers right now. So I put them on Barbie's head. I had not seen these before. Can you believe it? A gigantic rainbow sparkle, best fashion friend Barbie. Look at that hair and that outfit. Isn't she beautiful? They had this at Walmart. I did not even know they made these. Look at what you can do with the hair. Some of the ideas they give on the box. I like these dolls. Okay, they're actually some of my favorite dolls. I didn't like that their shoes don't come off. However, I bought these dolls, all used, these three, and they came with shoes. I have the 18-inch Barbies, and I'm actually making shoes for those because you can't buy them. And these dolls are an odd size too, so I rather like that they at least have shoes on their feet. It may not be my favorite, like I like these with the sandals and the cute little toes better than I like these little bows with the closed toes. But they're cute enough. So this Barbie has the same little shoes. They're silver. Can't wait to open the box. I joked leaving Walmart that she was waving goodbye to all the other dolls because this is how she was in the box. If you buy this doll for a child, be sure you have scissors and a sharp knife to get her out, and tell the child it's going to take about 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, the hair had this sewn in piece across it. She had so many little clear rubber bands holding her down. I thought I'd never get her out, and it was hooked to the netting in her little dress, whereas a child could have ripped that real good. So if you buy one for a child, be prepared for the unboxing. I like this doll. I really do. I got to tell you real quick, I'll get to the review, but I want to tell you real quick what rainbows mean to Darren and I. We really hit some hard times when we first got together, and we lived below the poverty line. And so we would do that. Well, let me back up a little more. I am a Christian, and in Genesis 9, it talks about how God gave us the rainbow as hope and a covenant between He and all living creatures that He would not wipe the earth out with floods again. And we love the rainbow because it signifies hope and that gold, that Irish gold at the end of the rainbow with the leprechaun chasing it. And Darren and I call it chasing rainbows when we go on adventures. So like yesterday, we would have called that chasing rainbows. And we found a pot of gold at the end. Look at this hair. Oh my goodness. So this rainbow meant a lot to us when we found her. And I actually did not buy the doll. I saw her right away, and I showed her to Darren, and he's like, "Oh, are you going to get her?" I said, "Oh, I don't think so." And we were getting ready to leave the store, and he says, "Are you going to get that doll?" And I said, "Oh," because I had already bought a bunch of dolls, and this is a $30 doll. And I said, "Let's go have lunch." So we went to lunch, and we were headed back to the car. I said, "Well, what's it going to be, girl?" you know, like meatloaf, what's gonna be, boy? And are we going to Walmart? And I said, oh, because I really did want the doll, but I didn't want to spend the money. So we get to the stoplight, and we were gonna make a left-hand turn or go straight to Walmart. And he said, you have till the light turns green. And I'm like, oh, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do? So anyway, the light turned green. I said, no, I'm not gonna get her. Darren went straight, went in and bought me this doll. So real cute. All right, so I think these type legs are made not as well as the old style legs. I do like the articulation. The legs do not bend at the knee, but she can sit down. Her arms bend at the shoulder, and they also swing out. I like that. They bend at the elbow, and her little hand moves. Well, her little hand's not moving. There it goes. Her little hand moves. This doll is articulated. I like that a lot. She did not come with the glitter comb that the smaller Rainbow Sparkle Barbies do, but I don't care. Like I said, there's a lot of little hairstyles here you can do. The little dress is a typical Barbie dress. The top's kind of, I want to say plasticky, but it's kind of a plastic coating type. It's got netting up here, fancy Barbie. It's got the netting over a little silver skirt that matches the little shoes. I think it's cute enough. Velcro's up the back so that you can change your clothes. Remember, I did Barbie hacks for the bigger dolls. I'm in love with these 28 and 38 and 18-inch Barbies. And these Barbies with very little tailoring can wear the 18-inch like American Doll and American Girl and OG dolls clothing. Now, the pants are shorter and some of the shirts are shorter, but at least she has other clothes. All in all, I really like this doll. As far as the texture to the hair, I like it. It's not the same texture as these. I am in love with this hair. This is just so easy to style, and it's got like human body to it, that nice body. This one's straight. I don't mind it because, like I said, you can do all of this, and boy, a little girl could braid in different colors, and a big girl could too if she wanted to. I'm very pleased with the doll. Again, yes, they do have the painted on shoes, but just remember that when I got these dolls used, they came with shoes. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like the Rainbow Sparkle Barbie and or our video or review, please give us a like and subscribe. It's Saturday morning. Darren has the trailer, baby trailer, hooked to the back of his bike. We're going to go chase some rainbows at garage sales by bicycle. Keep tuned.